Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Red braised beef called
红烧牛肉
which is a classic Chinese dish. Compared with pork, beef is richer in nutrients and can replenish physical strength more quickly. Let's get started. Prepare 1000 grams of beef and cut it into pieces. I cut it into large cubes because eating large pieces of beef is very enjoyable. I like leaner beef and do not use beef brisket. If you like beef brisket, of course you can use it. Look at other ingredients: 30 grams of scallions, cut into sections, 3 slices of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 3 fresh red chili, of course you can use dried chili instead, 2 star anise, a piece of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 4 tablespoons of oil. Sole seasoning is the paste made from soybeans, 4 tablespoons. Because of it, there is no need to add salt to this dish. Soybean paste seems to be an indispensable condiment in the Chinese kitchen. It gives the ingredients the aroma of soybeans and a salty taste. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil, blanch the beef. In order to remove impurities and blood, boil the water again. Remove the foam. Fish out the beef, set aside. Heat a wok over medium heat, add oil. Then add sugar. Let the oil melt the sugar. Then add the scallions, stir fry for a while. When you smell the aroma of scallions, add blanched beef, continue to stir fry for a while. Add light soy sauce, cooking wine, ginger, garlic, red chili, star anise, cinnamon, and soybean paste. Then add at least 1000 milliliters of water, bring to a boil, cover and simmer on low heat for at least 90 minutes. If you want to save time, an electric pressure cooker is also a good choice. 90 minutes later, turn off the heat. Delicious red braised beef is ready. You can also make more, portion and freeze them, take it out and heat it in the microwave. Or cook it with noodles when you want to eat it. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.